Come on, kids, let's sing and play. Let's learn the letters every day. From A to Z, come sing with me, an alphabet adventure. 1, 2, 3. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, so soft and sweet. D is for drum with a tappity beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree. Let's clap our hands, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's learn the letters once again. H is for hat that sits on your head. I is for igloo, cold like a bed. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun. K is for kite flying in the sun. L is for lion with a big loud roar. M is for moon that we all adore. N is for nest with eggs so blue. What comes next? Here's a clue. OPQRSTU, singing and learning just with you. VWXYZ, let's sing again so happily. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun that's big and bright. T is for train that goes all night. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin we love to play. W is for whale splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone. Play it with me. Y is for yo-yo spinning so fast. Z is for zebra running past. Now we know our ABCs. We sang and danced so happily. Next time, won't you sing with me on our next adventure? 1, 2, 3.